Hello everyone, Yurka Rebecca here. I know, long time no see. So, this is the thing. I want to do videos, but it is so hard for me to try to make the video, record a video, edit the video, and post the video. So that is what is going on. I have a new job. My boys are all grown up. Well, one is all grown up, the other one is 10, so it requires a lot of attention. So I don't have too much free time. But I want to be back doing videos. And the stress that generates for me to record little pieces of video and then put it all together and make this full piece of art that I made in one video is like a lot. So those projects that take me long, I will not record it. I will just post a picture on my Instagram that I'm gonna put the link on my description and you can see them there. But now what I'm gonna be posting here is gonna be a 15 minutes videos I will record with a timer, like right now. I'm not gonna talk for 15 minutes, don't worry. I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes. I'm gonna start a page in my art journal and I'm gonna work on it only for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna post the video. After that, I will go in the next page. If I think that page is not done, well, the next video will be finishing that page in 15 minutes. I will not make many long videos, just gonna try to work on one art journal for these videos for the channel, and I'm gonna be posting them too on my Spanish for my Spanish sorry, I'm rambling now. For my Spanish channel, I will be making a different art journal, so I'm gonna be having 2 art journals running at the same time for 15 minutes each one, and I will be posting just the 15 minutes. I will not say I'm gonna make a live video for 15 minutes because then I will not be paying attention to the conversation, the comments anyone can add to it. So I will not make live videos because of that, because I can't focus, do 2 things at the same time. So I will just record it and post it. And I hope you like the idea. I hope you understand the point of me doing that. But really, I don't have that much time, and for me, this is not a business. I don't get any money doing videos. So for me, it's fun, and thinking about edit and do voiceovers and all that stuff that require having a professional good video, editing. It generates a lot of stress that I don't need in my life right now. This is supposed to be a hobby. This is supposed to be my outlet of stress and my me time, self care time. So I need to do it as simple as I can and as fun as I can, and that is why I'm doing it this way. I hope you like my idea. I hope you participate and watch my videos. And if you have any idea of what else I can do in my channel, let me know. I will definitely take it in consideration. Now, if you want to keep seeing my videos, please subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram. I will be posting more there of random stuff I do. And thank you for staying with me for so long. And well, I will see you around. And you see, I didn't speak for 15 minutes. I told you I wasn't gonna do it. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.